Good morning, my yarny friends. I'm Sara, Sach. Welcome back to my crochet channel. I'm a little bit windblown because I just came in from doing a little bit of videoing. Is that a word, videoing? Doing some videos out in the yard, in the garden. I had a lot of requests to see what I was doing this year, 2024, in my garden. So this first set of videos that I'm going to show you is walking out my front door. I want to show you the girls' fairy garden that they put together this year along with my roses because I think they just look adorable. So this next set of videos that I'm going to show you is my actual garden. Now last year we had only 2 garden boxes or raised beds and we bought 2 more. So now I have 4 raised beds, and then I also have 2 apple trees, 2 plum trees, and 2 peach trees. And we've got apples and peaches, little tiny ones, on our little trees. I was so surprised. And then I'm going to walk through it all and show you what I have in all 4 of my garden boxes, because we have zucchini and we have radishes and peppers, tomatoes, cucumbers, and I even put in a strawberry bed, some raspberries, and some blueberries. So lots of fun stuff going on in and around those 4 garden boxes. So the last stop on our yard, garden, whatever you want to call it, tour is just some pots that I have off my back patio. I love to grow lettuce and spinach and some of my herbs in pots. And that's what you'll see out there in this last little clip. So thanks for walking around my garden with me and seeing what we're doing this year. And I will take some more videos in a few weeks so that you can see how much the garden has grown. So I'll see you in a couple of weeks for another Walk Through My Garden 2024.